What's up everybody, Danny Golden here, and we are back again with another video. I know I've been off for a while, but I'm back, okay? I'm back. So yeah, so today we're doing something, a different thing. We're doing algebra, expanding and simplifying brackets, okay? So, firstly, these types of videos are to help you out and conduct you in like different tests which try to mislead you and, not passing, and you have to pass, so like, just to help you out, okay? So these are the tips and tricks, okay? So let's start off with the basics, okay? Let's do so these are variables and coefficients first of all. So like a variable is, for example, x. So that's a variable, and the coefficient can be, for example, 5. So that's the coefficient. So coefficient is like next to the variable, okay? So variable and coefficient. No. So yeah, those are just the basics to help you out. So okay, so let's start off with this. This is just like a stylish way of solving, expanding and simplifying brackets. Okay, so these are for like for the squares and polygons and stuff like that, for different shapes. This. So 4, and then x plus 2. So in this types of stuff, the formula for area is length times width. Simple as that, okay? So length times width. So 4 is the length. So 4. Then x plus 2 is the width, okay? So then x plus 2, okay? Simple as that. So what you'll do in these certain things we'll do in these certain expansions and algebraic brackets, we'll do 4 times x and 4 times 2. That's how you'll do it. Okay? So 4 times x will be 4x. And then 4 times 2 will be 8. Simple as that. You just have to get used to it, okay? Simple. Okay. So then next we can get to easy questions. So we've done this. So now we can do, for example, x bracket x plus 4, and then we can do the way we did it here, okay? So x times x, and then 4 times 4. So in these types of, so the variable, so like a variable times a variable will be a variable squared. So like if it's like the same variable, of course. So like x times x, y times y, stuff, variables like that, okay? So x times x will be, as we said, x squared. Nice. Okay? Then x times 4 will be 4x. There we go. Okay? Simple as that. So then once we've done that, actually let's do a little bit more easy questions, then we can get to this hard and spicy questions, okay? So first, so secondly, we can do minus x bracket x minus 9 bracket. So it's the same. So what we will do is minus x times x. So a positive number, so like plus, and the negative times a negative number will be a negative number, okay? So x times x will be negative x squared, okay? You use that, okay? So then minus x times minus 9, so a negative times a negative number, okay? That will be a positive number, okay? So it'll be minus x times minus 9 will be 9x, okay? Simplified. So simple as that, okay? So you just have to get used to the basics. For example, like variables, coefficients, all that kinds of stuff, really, okay? So now let's go to, the spicy questions, okay? So this will be, let's go for 5x bracket, 5, 5 bracket x plus 2 bracket minus 2x, okay? There we go. Okay, now how we're gonna solve this is pretty much the same, We'll do 5 times x. 5 times x is 5x. Then 5 times positive 2 will be 10, okay? So that'll be 10, okay? And then we do minus 2x, okay? Simple as that, okay? As usual, the basics, coefficients, if you are used to it. You just have to get used to it, okay? So now, if we're going to simplify it, if we're going to simplify this equation right here, if we're going to simplify 5x plus 2, we're going to do the like terms, okay? It's like the like terms. Like terms. So, what's the like term here? 5x times minus 2x. 5x minus 2x is 3x, that's right. Okay? Simple as that, okay? And then we do plus 10. And then it's simplified. Right, guys? It's easy. Simple, okay? Just have to get used to it. Alright. So we've done that. Let's get to the even more spicier questions. Alright. Let's do, for example, how about okay. Let's do 2D bracket C minus 3D plus 5F minus 6, okay? 6 bracket, okay? So we are gonna try to figure this one out, okay? So we're gonna solve this. 2D, as usual, 2D times C is 2DC, okay? But it can go whichever way it wants, because it's 2 times D times C, okay? Simple as that. And then you do 2D times minus 3d. Okay? And for that one, a positive number times a negative number is what? A negative number. So 3 times 2, 6. So it'll be plus 6d squared, alright? Because it's d times d, and a variable times a variable that's the same variable will be the variable squared, okay? Simple as that, okay? Then we can go for 2d times 5f. It's 5f, okay? d times 5f will be 10df, okay? There we go. Okay. So then we do 2d times minus 6. 6 times 2 is 6, 12. Okay. And that'll be positive number times negative number is what? A negative number. So minus 12, alright? Minus 12d. Okay. There we go. So it's really simple, you know. These are just these may look hard. They may like make you feel these are hard, but like these look hard, but on reality really easy. You just have to get used to it, okay? Because it's really simple. So now let's go for what should we go for? Let's go for A. Okay. Bracket 3a plus 4. Okay. Bracket this time minus 2 4a minus 7 bracket. Okay, there we go. Let's see it now. Okay. So for this one, what we'll do, essentially, we'll pick the first equation. So simple. A times 3 will be what? 3a squared. That's right. Okay. So then we'll do a times 4 will be what? 4a. Correct. 4a. So then next we'll do, instead of doing it all together like we did for 5 for this equation, minus 2, we'll do to the second equation, the second bracket equation that we expand. Okay. So we'll do minus 2 times 4. Negative number times a positive number will always be negative. Okay. So negative 2 times 4a be negative 8a. Okay. Simple as that. And then we can do negative 2. So a negative number times a negative number will be what? A positive number. So 7 times 2 will be what? 10. 14, okay? So 7 times 2 will be 14, okay? Because it's a positive number. Plus 14. That's correct. So then we simplify it, okay? We simplify as usual. So what we'll do is find the like terms as usual. The like terms. Okay? The like terms. So for like terms, what we'll do is 4a, they have the same variables. Alright. 8a minus 8a. So that will be minus 4a. But obviously, we'll do 3a squared first, plus What did we say this was? Minus 4a. Okay, simple as that. And then we did plus 14. There we go. Okay, so it's really simple. Like, you just have to figure out the basics and comprehend it, process it, work on it, and succeed. Okay, practice makes perfect. All right, you will get it. Trust me. Okay, in any test, in any different like algebraic, mathematic test, in anything really, you can succeed. You just have to practice, and practice makes perfect. All right. So there we go. Okay. So that's the last question. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys. Leave a like and subscribe. Okay, and comment down below if you have any questions, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. And peace out.